In this video, you are going to see the part of the Cvex airdrops, the part of the Cvex airdrops task that is layer 3 task. Okay, so if you join in this airdrop, we are now on Cvex, Cvex Testnet, and you need to do the additional task they have provided updated. That is layer 3 task that we are going to do after a while. We click on that link will bring you inside of here, and what you need to do, connect your wallet here, same wallet as you use on Cvex. Okay, so tap on this connect wallet, and whatever which address you which wallet you had connected by participating on Cvex airdrop, and to connect as that wallet in here. Okay, same thing. So it is lowering, and what I need to do is just I connected my account number 1, and click on this confirm, and click this next button, and it will be immediately connected with your Layer3 website. And here is what we need to do is doing signing that are you owner of this wallet. Okay, just a little bit hope like you need to do hover over with this website. Okay, nothing complicated, straightforward, and getting something you need to do something. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. Okay, never be freak out about it. So click on the sign button that you are owner of this wallet. Okay, so now let me see what happened, and that page will be pop up. Okay, so click this layer button, and now what we want to do, click this continue, and continue. Join Cvex testnet, go to there, and what we need to do in coming here, just connect your wallet, and if you do connect, they will recognize you that you did this task properly. Okay, so this is their website, that where they are provide their testnet for participate their audience. Okay, so connect your wallet here in order to getting this task done. Okay, click this verify button. Validations failed. Join Cvex Testnet and click on increase balance button left of the UI to receive faucet funds. Okay, so here is how we need to do something. We cannot cheat with them. Okay, with this task. So click this connect button, and same MetaMask would be used here. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so it is misleading. So now, okay, click this again connect, and here we will choose MetaMask, because we did MetaMask everywhere. Okay, so here is couple of second the MetaMask will do, and after doing that, just click on the increase balance, and going there and click on that verify. It will be done immediately, I believed. So it's every time it will take like same thing, doing confirmation, doing sign inside of MetaMask, and click this confirm button, send request in order to sign, and never be freak out about it. Nothing complicated. Everything was tough for me in the back then, but if you stick with it, it will be easy for you as well. Okay, so click on the sign in order to done this task. Now time to click on increase balance. So let me see what happened now. Okay, so the website has been opening again. Maybe it will take a little bit time, but never freak out. I don't want to waste your time here. Yeah, it is loading. Okay, I'm connecting my wallet after I'm so here we see it is loading because my network problem. You will be can do it easily than me. So just click this increase button here, would be pop up, and to increase and going into here, and going into here it's fucked up all the time because I'm using my phone. And yeah, I know it is like this because um, it is not network good network here as well as but I'm not blame anything at all because everything is okay here. um, and after doing this that task, okay, I'm showing you. Never be freak out about this website same wallet I'm using now. It is a Rappi wallet because it is part of the MetaMask. Okay, so join. If you click on now verify after doing that, and after clicking on open a long positions on there, uh, and join CBX desk on Discord, join CBX Telegram, claim your reward, and it will be done. Okay, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.